Hey folks, hope you're all doing well. Today we're diving into a topic that doesn't always get enough attention: prostate health. Yeah, I know it's not exactly dinner table conversation, but it's something a lot of us need to start thinking about. Let me ask you, are you keeping up with your checkups, popping pills that leave you feeling worse than before, worried about the size of your prostate, or those late-night trips to the bathroom? Well, I recently came across something that's been making a difference for a lot of men dealing with these issues. It's called Prostavive, and it's honestly worth a look. This isn't some magic cure, but it's a dietary supplement that supports prostate health and seems to be helping a lot of guys out there feel better and live healthier lives. Before we start, just a quick heads up. If you decide to give Prostavive a try, make sure you order only from the official website to avoid fake products and to get the 100% money-back guarantee. I've left the link to the official site in the description below and in the pinned comment. This link also takes you to the best price I could find with a discount and free shipping. Now back to Prostavive. Here's the deal. Prostavive is made with a blend of natural organic ingredients specifically designed to promote prostate function, ease urinary discomfort, and improve overall wellness. What really stands out is its fast-acting formula. Many men have reported noticeable improvements in things like urinary flow and discomfort in just a short amount of time. And let me say this, don't skip visiting your doctor. Prostate issues are serious business. They can lead to emergency surgeries, bladder damage, and, of course, a ton of discomfort and loss of quality of life. And if you're dealing with cancer, you probably already know how critical it is to stay on top of this, but I still need to say it. Your life is at risk and you absolutely need regular medical care and guidance. Okay, and let's face it, issues with your prostate don't just stop there. They can have a ripple effect on your overall health, even your confidence in the bedroom. Prostavive helps address these concerns by supporting better blood flow to and around the prostate. This can make a big difference not just for your urinary health, but for your energy levels and vitality too. One thing that really struck me about Prostavive is how simple it is to use. Just one dose a day and it could help you get better sleep. No more constant trips to the bathroom at night, improve your energy and even boost your cognitive focus. Simply mix 1 scoop of Prostavive powder with water or your favorite beverage daily. It's recommended to take it with a meal for optimal absorption. Consistency is key, so aim to take it at the same time every day to establish a routine. As I mentioned earlier, I've dropped the link to the official website in the description and the pinned comment. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you could leave a like and comment with the city you're watching from, it would be great to get to know you better. Anyway, that's my take on Prostavive. If you're dealing with these kinds of issues, it might be worth giving it a shot. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.